Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm excited to bring 50 Charnwood Crescent in the heart of Bishopdale to the market. A beautifully presented family home in a very popular Christchurch location that has seen extensive renovations, ready for the next owners to capitalise on a fantastic opportunity. I'm Brodie Francis from Ray White Bishopdale. Let's head on in and have a look around. Upon entry to the home, you are welcomed by the modern and contemporary feel this home has been moulded to. The open plan living setting includes a brand new kitchen as well as brand new furnishings throughout. Back through the living room sliders, you are welcome to a north-facing, outdoor, fully fenced haven with a brand new deck looking out to a matured landscape garden and of course the heated blissful in-ground pool. The home includes 3 double-sized bedrooms with each of the bedrooms possessing built-in wardrobes. A family bathroom caters to the home comfortably with a separate toilet for convenience. Being located in Bishopdale, you are in an idyllic location to nearby amenities such as the Bishopdale Mall, supermarkets, popular cafes and a short drive away from the new Northlink Centre. You are also in zone for some popular schools nearby such as Burnside High and Breens Intermediate. Bishopdale is an extremely popular market, and with recent success in the area you can be assured this property is going to sell come auction day. I'm Brodie Francis from Ray White and I look forward to seeing you this weekend at the open homes.